Hello, my name is Mariana, and today I'm excited to guide you through the process of automatically importing your videos, which are hosted on other platforms, into the Hotmart Player. The initial step is to log into your video environment by visiting play.hotmart.com and getting started. If you prefer, you can also log in through the app at .hotmart.com. Afterwards, simply click on the menu, navigate, and access the video library. Now, proceed to the new library. The new upload is ready. Please note that several options for importing from other tools will appear. Choose the one you wish to import from. To successfully complete the import process, you will need to generate an access key and configuration keys. On your main screen, a tutorial will appear showing you how to do this. Once you've imported and sent the access key, your API key setup will be successfully completed and ready to use. Your video imports will happen automatically, allowing you to easily track the progress through the upload status. Rest assured, it's seamless. And don't worry, if the video volume is quite large and the loading takes a little longer than expected, you can safely close the Hotmart Player and the import process will continue seamlessly in the background. For any questions, visit our help center. We're here to assist you. See you.